In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print check from QuickBooks. By the end, you'll confidently move from creating a check to getting a clean professional printout on your check stock. First, let's create the check in QuickBooks. From your dashboard, look for the plus icon labeled New. This is where you start most transactions. Choose Check from the list. At the top of the form, select the correct bank account the check will draw from. If you manage more than one account, take a quick second to confirm you're using the right one. This ensures your records and bank balance stay accurate. Now fill in the details. Enter the payee exactly as it should appear on the check. Add the date you want on the check. In the details area, decide whether to use category or item details. Category is best for general expenses like utilities or rent mapped to an expense account. Item details are for products or services you track through your products and services list. This keeps quantities and rates organized. Enter the amount you're paying. QuickBooks will translate that to both numbers and words on the check face. If you need an internal note, you can use the memo field to help with future reconciliation and reporting. When everything looks right, choose Save and Print. This tells QuickBooks to record the check and prepare it for printing in one smooth move. Now let's print the check. In the print window, click Print Check to open the printing flow. Before you continue, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer. Most businesses use either voucher checks with a stub or 3 per page checks. Make sure the stock is facing the correct way for your printer. Inkjets and lasers can feed differently, so the payee, date, and amount land in the proper spots. If your printer has duplex or scaling turned on, turn those off for checks. Keep the paper size at letter and scaling at 100% for the cleanest alignment. When the paper is loaded, click Print. Give the page a moment to feed, then review the printed check. The payee name, date, amount in numbers and words, and address should line up with the check areas on your stock. If spacing looks slightly off, you can fine-tune alignment from the same print area next time, and a quick test on plain paper can help you verify placement without wasting check stock. That's it. Create the check, save and print, then load your check stock and print. Store unused check paper securely, and file the printed stub for your records. You're all set to print checks from QuickBooks with confidence.